Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anastasia and I'm your go-to holistic health and fitness expert. I have 16 years of experience in the area of holistic way of living, how to eat natural ingredients, following the active lifestyle, and have taken care of mental health in an aim to get the best physical appeal, to get this magazine cover model body and still enjoy food, enjoy life, and live up to the potential. I've been a professional model in Ukraine, I've been a professional swimmer, and I have all this mix of a background, and I have developed a strategy, an online coaching of how to transform the health and be the best version of yourself and have the body shape of a magazine cover supermodel. In today's video, I want to share with you and I want to talk with you about a backdrop of my story, also how your body shape defines what is your life situation. Funny enough, we are all an emotional humans, men and women, but particularly women tending when there is everything going wrong in their life, particularly when we are emotionally getting breaked to the pieces because of the heartbreak, because of the divorce, because of the unsuccessful stage of getting to the marriage, getting to be a fiance, to getting to the life of having a happy family, because for many of us it's been hammered in our mind through the fairy tale and cartoons that there is a happiness of having the marriage and family. And then when you fail at the stage of life to go through it with someone that you thought that you love, or you may really love those person, you totally neglect yourself, your body, your emotional state, and your mental health. Then a woman is twisting in the other side. She starts to loosen up on the way how she looks. She starts to put on weight because it does not important anywhere. She identifies that she have a pain in her chest, in her heart. Obviously she wouldn't go and work out, and there is all this mess that's going down and making a big harm on your mental state. We all went through it and I was there as well. It's beat me really hard. It was like in my 22, and of course I still would go to the gym, but again it wasn't the balanced system how I would manage my lifestyle to look up at myself and build something more beautiful in my life. I would go down to the spiral, and which is a wrong decision. When afterwards in a life, in a couple of years, I go for a yoga training teacher, I go for the self-education programs, I go in the loop of self-development. I got a hook on educating myself with the right information, again, to look at the holistic way of living, of what I eat and how it's reflect on my health. I know in 22 it's not a very interesting subject because you still feel very well in your body. Your body can digest almost everything and anything. You can sleep barely a couple of hours and it's not a problem. But I know that I go farther in life, and with the age I need to look into these things more careful, and I start to prepare myself for this in a more detailed way. And funny enough, when I went for a yoga teacher training, I thought like, I wish I could know about such thing when I was through this breakage moment, when it was beating me down, because it's about where you allocate this energy of you feeling that you are breaking down to the pieces. And this is what is happening in your life, that your mindset let you destroy your physical appeal, your body, and hence you would say that it's bad luck, it's karma, it's something happening in your life, everything falling to the pieces, your friends may be turning back on you, there's no one looking at you, no one inviting you for a date, you feel miserable, you feel not attractive, you feel not hot, you feel your hormones going all the way down, maybe you lose your period, you don't feel sexually attractive to the other man, but it's all because you allow your mindset to go on all the physical appeal to drop down, and you do not feel like you want to do something about it because you are all consumed by this misery. So the thing that being allocated the best is to focus on yourself. And when you build your body, when you put a hard work, because even wherever you was in the relationship, at any pause of your life you still can do better, because there is always a room to improve your health, your body, your look, your gut health, your microbiome, anything you would take. There is always a room, because we are creatures who keep evolving. So when you drop out of this relationship, you can focus on yourself and allocate all of this energy that you would allocate when you go through the misery to put on yourself, to prioritize yourself, to develop yourself, to educate yourself, to take your health in a whole new level. And if you look at all these Instagram influencers, they are all singles who are doing really well. And this is a funny fact, they all become famous and they got the attraction of followers when they decide to prioritize themselves, in many cases because it's happened after certain breakage on a personal level, when they decide that they're going fully introverted, they don't communicate, they don't date, and they focus on themselves, which is also a great thing, because you heal yourself, you transform yourself, and then on those level you can attract a great man for yourself, for your personal life, for you building the best relationship in your life. So this is a dilemma to understand, that your physical appear and your mind is reflection, and either with your body while you are meditating, especially when you do an active meditation, it's work magic. When you work out, when you go for a run, when you do ski, when you do snowboarding, when you go for salsa, when you go for bachata, when you go for gym, any sort of activity, you boost your mindset to look up at your life and see the positivity, see the good things, and build the good things. But when you sit on a sofa as a couch potato, eating a Pringles and Baskin Robbins, watching Friends, which is also a great thing, but it would take you on a spiral of misery. So here, what to understand, that your body defines your life situation, where you want to be, whom you want to become. And it's not about copying someone, it's about what kind of future you see for yourself. Where do you want to stand? How do you want to look? And what can you do for this? Again, I'm reminding you that for me, even with the background of being professional swimmer and professional model, going to the all kind of fancy gyms in Dubai, I still was at a struggle to find a way how it's everything working. And it took me a good 6 years of practice to find the way and still benefit from this way of holistic mixture of lifestyle, that with every, if I look even at the pictures in my recording, how I see myself changing in the mirror, with a certain months as my body, it still keep improving. If I do my health checkups, it's keep improving. It does not matter what is your age, what is your position. You need to identify yourself that you want to be in life in this position, and you will do everything. And you will put a hard work of eating well, work out, being active, showing up for yourself, because you are only the one who are at the most interest of your life. If you need my help, I would be happily assisting you and offering you my online coaching, which transform my life and life of many others from my clients' database. We go through the deep transformation and they benefit on all levels of life, because you transform your body, you transform your mental state, you transform in your professional, in your dating life, the way you relate to yourself, and it's beautiful state to be in your life. And for many of us, for me it was also the same, that it was a moment when it was for a very first time for me in life. So what I want to give, what I want to do about it, I want to share this with other women, because it's your superpower and it's the measurement how you can live up your life up to your potential. This is what I want for you. DM me, there is links down here. Let's meet over Zoom and let's change your life. 2024, do not wait any other year, any Monday, any summer season, bikini season. Start now and let's do it.